Hear ye, none of y'all close to near me. I'm clearly the favorite, you feel me dearly. Ashamed for the cost for the rock where the ears be. I'm the hottest thing out, yours truly, sincerely. I'm a big dude, the easy response is to fear me. But the chicks all love me and they offer to share me. Legacy gon' be scary, you don't wanna carry me. Not even as a pallbearer the day that they bury me. Stop boring us, flow notorious. Like Chris Wallace, I'm just being honest. I'm so low key, but the swag on neon. I'm on another planet, can't live on the world we on. Bread on them hard knock streets, so I got my AK burning rubber, do or die. It's all proper. You can fly high, but can't top us. Stop us, not us. Watch for the choppers. It is what it is. It does what it do. I live how I live, and if I feel it is true, tell me what y'all talking about. Y'all playing, gon' roll that dice with your life like it's a game. 13,140 days I done grind in the streets and switched all of my shady ways. People deal with the struggle, survival, my arch rival. All about living life to the fullest and leaving garbage behind me. Wisely, homie, I'm tired of getting grimy. Trying to make it so that only the sun outshine me. I embody the streets, but I'll never let it define me. I'm finally set my vision to live life blindly. Never display the gumption to make an assumption. People are spread garbage designed for consumption. You thugs keep thugging, I'd rather make a lane for the youngins and help them turn their pain into something. Call a few for the hustler. You better check the mood when I rush her. I'm suggesting you move there, brother. It's all proper. You can fly high but can't stop.